guys, time for Hermes headlines. What's wrong? Well, I wasn't able to do Hermes for the past 10 days because first I had a school camp, like a camp that we had to go to, and the school provided it. And then I got sick after that. Oh no. Yeah. Today we can only do 3 articles, two articles that are kind of both national and international, and 1 national. Hopefully tomorrow we'll be back to doing full Hermes 5. Yay! Okay, let's start. Today is June 8th, 2013. Pakistan is upset and summoned a U.S. envoy because of a U.S. drone attack. Pakistan is here, and the U.S. is right here. The drone attack killed 9 people. And 4 fingers. The drone attack killed 9 people, and so Pakistan is very upset. An Afghan inside attack in Paktika, spelled Paktika, killed U.S. citizens. The U.S. is over here, and Paktika is one of the provinces of Afghanistan, which is here. Nelson Mandela is hospitalized in serious condition in South Africa, here. He is hospitalized because he has a serious lung infection. What's a lung infection? A lung infection is where the lungs, which are the 2 parts of your body, inside your body, that help you breathe, get an infection, so it's hard for you to breathe. I don't know, that's bad. Who is Nelson Mandela? Nelson Mandela went from being a civil rights leader to the first black president of South Africa, which is right here. That's it for today. Subscribe to watch tomorrow's video of Hermes headlines.